Hey everybody, this is a follow-up video to the calculator one that I just put out there. If you anybody watched to the end, they saw that I had a problem with dragging around windows that had children attached to them, which the calculator has quite a few representing the buttons and the readout. I was able to fix that, and I'd actually forgotten and commented out the code. I made some improvements and brought that code back. And here's just a little demonstration. Um, Fire up the calculator and we'll do, I don't know, 2 plus 6 equals 8. And you can see this has data in it, and uh, I'll move it. Hey, and the data remained and it brought its buttons. So I'll pull it back over and we'll clear it. "64" in green, and it's still working. So anyway, I just thought I'd have a follow-up to show that I did fix that, and it is functional, and I appreciate you watching. I'll post another video soon.